Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a verified DJI account and matching pilot details. This is critical because unlocks tie to identity. Once done, power up the drone, connect to the DJI app, and record the aircraft serial and firmware version so you can request the correct unlock. Make sure to collect supporting documents, registration, operator ID, and any local permits, since authorities or DJI will require them. This fast preparation avoids back and forth and speeds the unlock request process. You now submit the unlock request through DJI's portal or app. Pick the correct unlock type because temporary and authorization flows differ in approval criteria. Next, input the exact coordinates, altitude limits, time window, and a concise operational justification so reviewers understand intent. Upload your registration and ID files with clear scans. Unclear documents cause denial. Once submitted, monitor the request status and check email for follow-up. Responding quickly to queries shortens approval. When DJI or the authority approves, you must activate the unlock in the app or enter the provided code into the aircraft. This ties the unlock to your serial and account. Once activated, perform a short, controlled test flight within the approved coordinates, altitude, and time window to confirm functionality. If the unlock fails or is denied, read the rejection reason carefully. Often a missing document or mismatched info causes issues. Then correct the specific problem and resubmit promptly to avoid further delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.